Hi, and welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Monday, July 7th. We're all back from a long weekend, and the sellers are back also. After a little rally this morning that got us into resistance area, they hit them again. They had them down 150-something points. And they managed to come all the way back. So, we're in a downtrend. We're getting these kickback rallies. They're tradable. There's an orderliness to it. And until we get some sort of little mini panic, some kind of 1 or 2 days or 3 days of massive selling with just free fall, as long as there's this orderliness to this sell-off, it's going to continue. We need to have some sort of washout, so to speak. So that's what we're looking for. I'm looking for the washout. I don't know when it's going to come. I don't even know if it's going to come, but normally they do come. But until that happens, we're just going to work our way down. We rally back up into resistance. They roll over, they make another new low. Then they try to rally again, and they roll over, they make another new low, and so on and so forth. The banks act terrible. Some of the regional banks are almost in a free fall. And you have to stop and wonder what kind of state the financial condition of the country is with these banks. And not a word from the Fed. No calming words whatsoever. But anyway, what do we do today? Got stopped out on 2 stocks, both of them longs. It seems that none of the longs are working. Got stopped out on BBX, the bank stock we bought the other day, and got stopped out on ENT, this energy stock. I'll show you both of them. I'll show you why I pulled the plug on both of them. And we took some money off the table in FBN. I'm not going to show you that because it speaks for itself. Got some nice emails about some guys who made some pretty good money in the option market with that call. Okay, what else have I got? I've got another idea for you tomorrow, another short stock you'll recognize. We've been in it before. And so without further ado, let's get to our new idea for tomorrow, and it's ARRS, but this is on the short side this time. So we'll take a look at the chart, and I'll show you how I'm going to take this idea and turn it into some money. Don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of ARRS. This is a call on the short side. We'll be looking to sell this stock short tomorrow around $8.67. It's just about where it closed. My target on the downside here is $5.40. Where it all started from that rally. For those of you who want a stop loss area, it would be $9.70. A close above this area up here, I would say that the trade probably isn't working. But under the conditions of the market, overall market, I don't foresee that happening. So what do I see in this? Well, I see breakdown, kickback, breakdown, kickback, and that's what we're having right now. We're having a little bit of a kickback in this stock, and that's what I want to take advantage of. Now we've got 2 resistance areas. The first one is right here where it's banging its head, and there's a chance it could get back to there, but it'll only be there for a day or 2. So I'm going to probably put a short out right in here tomorrow. And if it bounces up a little higher, I might even put some more out. But yeah, you never know if you're going to get that last bounce up there. Okay, so that's my call. This is a breakdown, kickback, breakdown, kickback, breakdown, until it works its way down to our target. So let me recap that. That's ARRS. It's a call on the short side. And when all's said and done, I think we can make about $3.30. All right, let's take a look at the 2 stocks that we got stopped out on. I pulled the plug on. This is ENT. Now the reason why I sold this stock today was not so much what it did today as what it did on Thursday, this day right here. If this stock was good and whole, this should not have happened. So on the kickback is when I sold it this morning. The whole look that we had, that was the look we were looking at, and it broke, so not going to hang around with it. The other thing is, too, we're buying a stock that's already doubled, so you need to be careful. So So we have very little tolerance for anything that's not going to hold up. So that's why I said that was a sell stop. The reason being is it broke this area here on Friday. I didn't sell it Friday, but I waited for the kickback, and it looks like it was a smart thing to do so far. Okay, let's take a look at our little bank stock DBX. It doesn't look like it's going to work out. I still think it was worth the try for this little base-looking bottom, but this look right in here is not good. This day, especially today, should not have happened if the stock was going to do better. It may still do better, but it's disappointing me, so we let that one go too. Okay, let's take a look at the major indexes and see if we can't figure out when this sell-off is going to be over. Stay with me. Okay, we'll look at the Dow. Let me zoom out. Get it. I don't know if you can see it because this little A is in the way, but it made a new intra trend low. I still say that the resistance area is right here. I don't think it's going to be able to get through that. It keeps trying though, which is good. And I still think there's a good chance of it getting down to 10,700. And then maybe then we can get some sort of a sustainable rally going. By sustainable, I mean something that'll last a month or two. Okay, transportation average. Did not make a new low, but it's not a good looking chart. Here's our resistance right here. Oops. That's our resistance, and we should try that area. I don't believe we're going to get through that. And this is our target also on this chart. The steepness of it is it's unusual to get a move this steep in charts. You usually get something that's more like this. This is pretty sustained on the downside. Russell 2000 made a new low, coming down hard and fast. I don't see anything that even resembles a bottom. There's probably a good chance that this March low is not going to hold. I say that because the Dow didn't hold, and you'll see in just a moment where the S&P 500 didn't hold today either. It made a new low. I'm going to guess that the Russell 2000 is not going to hold either. This is the SPY. This represents the Standard & Poor's 500, and this was the March low, and you can see we're down through it today. So we've got another new low here. Resistance, it's right above us. It's right here. It's this low and these two highs. I would be surprised if we were able to get above that. And if we did, we have all this resistance right here above us also. So took out the March lows and probably headed to that low there. QQQQs actually closed up 27 cents today, but we've got resistance right here, right above us. We may try and get there tomorrow, but it's a selling opportunity. Okay, charts stay the same. Big picture is down. We get these little kickbacks during the day. If you're day trading the indexes, it's not a bad trading market for you guys who do that. And I hope my little indicator has been helpful. I think it caught the top, sometime this morning, and I think it caught the bottom end of the market late this afternoon. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Right now the indicator is in a neutral position to let you know exactly where it is. So anything can happen tomorrow. So that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.